Let's do this. So, we are back after a very long time, and we'll do a very short video. Actually, it's been a while. I'm also trying and testing a new setup right now. We're looking at Nifty and Banknifty, something that's happened over a period of time. A lot of uncertainty, a lot of volatility, and a lot of it is actually impacting the markets to move in the range, particular given range. So let's quickly get to the chart. Let's go here. So here we are. Oh, this is slightly. So what all is happening from here to here? It's something that's not very clear at the moment. So I'm pausing at this point in time. Now there are three degrees that I can see, three different vertices. One is here, second is here, and the third is probably being making in here. So we'll not get into the specifics because they are not very clear at the moment in the longer time frame. So we'll move to a shorter time frame to make sense of what is happening in the current week, maybe, or maybe what is expected in the coming week. So I'll probably simply take an important high and an important low here. This one is my level. Now I can see here, this is probably how I'm reading it at the moment. And if I see the time period, 3 hours, 70, so roughly around 75 hours is where I'm expecting C to be formed. Let's say somewhere here. Okay. Now this is as per time target. So we are still expecting it to be falling a little further down till say the end of this month, maybe another couple of weeks. But we know that this is a flat correction. And from here, I'll probably try and see what target we can expect to see. I am expecting somewhere around this mark, 25,300 is what is possible. But again, a lot of things will depend on whether this trend line is broken or not. So there is a chance that it could continue in the same free fall that it has seen from the beginning of January. It may continue or it may take a sideways movement and then probably correct a little more. So all depends on this particular trend line for the time being. Now this is Nifty. Not much to see. Let's even go one level down at 70 at 15 minutes. Uh, I think I can call it. It looks like an impulse. We'll see. We'll have to figure out whether this particular trend line gets broken, and then the further moves will be clear. This is Nifty. I think Bank Nifty is also very similar to this. So reading the same. So coming back to 75 minutes, it's the same ABC that I'm expecting. Again, correction of about 1,000 points to reach 58, 670-ish, 680-ish. And that's where the target is. Again, this would also probably continue for another 8 to 10 days. Now, this was Nifty. Let's quickly look at Sensex. This is something we have seen very not so frequently actually. Now here again the reading is same. End of January is where I'm expecting C to be formed, and this is how currently all three major indices, because again more or less the composition remains the same for them, are actually behaving in a very similar way. So that's it. So probably we'll have to see uh, if we continue to have this momentum tomorrow, or we see some kind of a sideways move and then probably eventually uh, leading the price downwards. This is possible, and this is what we expect currently to happen. So again, these are simply the analysis basis, the rules that we know with respect to Elliott Waves. and none of it is indicating any trades. It's only for educational purpose. We're not recommending trades, and we are also changing our views constantly. So it's not that it continues to remain the same view for a very long time. So as and when there is some kind of invalidation reached, we change views, and we see what suits the best given the movement that has happened in the recent past. And so keep yourselves updated and keep the newest things always on your radar. Let's see what happens in the coming day. Thank you so much.